Fever Screening System. Quick Installation Guide. To prevent and control infections, a fever screening system such as the CK350 should be installed in busy areas. The SATIR fever screening system contains a thermal camera, a black body, fever screening software, and brackets. It has 3 to 5 meters remote control. It has medical grade accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees. It can screen 16 faces per second. How to install fever screening system. Please note: 1. The black body should be installed where the thermal camera can see it. 2. Do not lower your head during measurement. 3. Please take off your cap before the temperature measurement. 4. Enter the room and measure the temperature after the temperature is stable. 5. Set up tents outdoors to avoid the interference of wind, sunshine, high temperature and reflective objects.